The Elago silicone cases for second generation AirPods. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Elago A2 silicone cases made for the second generation AirPods. They have the visible LED status window on the front of the case. They come in many colors and styles, along with adding protection for your AirPods. The company sent this out for me to review. As always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. These cases are made of a soft silicone and are a one-piece design, with the top attached to the main body. These are different from the Duo cases, which were a two-piece design and different colors for the top. As you can see, the case is soft and easy to work with. The top is attached to the body and is flexible. The front has the Elago branding along with a window for the LED, which has a 0.3mm wall of silicone, so dirt and dust will not get in. The bottom has the cutout for the lightning port. And on the back, you can see the indentation for the pairing button. Here is the case installed, and you can see the wireless charger. Placing it on the charger, you can see that it works with no issue. So let's see how the cases look. This first case is the pink color. It's easy to install. Just slide the case in and pull the top over. Just make the necessary adjustments to line it up. And you can see the LED is very visible on the front, and the lid opens and closes just fine. And now this is the black case. It definitely adds additional grip, and it's not bulky at all. The lavender case. And finally, the red case. This one really stands out, and I like this color. Simple in design and are very inexpensive. These cases are a great solution for adding protection to your AirPods, as they are susceptible to getting scratched from daily use. They come in an assortment of colors and styles. So if you're looking for some cases for your second gen AirPods, check out the Elago A2 silicone cases. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.